All right, guys. Hey, just came back from a pumpkin carving party, and we're not going to put anything to waste. Check out this quick, fast, and hurry video. Maybe you'll learn something. Make sure you like and subscribe. Got the old seeds out of there, and we're going to be rinsing them with some cold water just to get that gooey stuff off of them. And the reason we do that is because they won't dry if you don't do that. Nice cold water. It's kind of messy, but that's okay. It's a messy job. Then we're going to put it out. We're going to pick out all these extra pieces of pineapple, or not pineapple, pumpkin out of here, because we don't want that anywhere near our stuff. And yeah, I think we're going to call that ready to go. Next thing I'll do is I'll put down some of this wax paper here just to protect the tablecloth and protect the table. The table's probably a couple hundred years old. And then what I'll do is I'll take paper towels and I'll put them down on top of that just to help with the drying process. This is really easy to do. And then it's time to spread the seeds, and literally all you have to do is just start spreading them out. We're going to spread them out even further by hand, but we got to do something to get the process started. And then we just start spreading them out. What you want to do is we just want to get it so they're not on top of each other as best you can. This is an imperfect science. This is like math without numbers. You just do it and it works. It's really not difficult stuff to do. And then I'll just finish this up by putting in paper towels right over the top of it. And this will keep Prepper Cat from tearing into it, I think. We're just going to give it a quick pat to get it all touchy-feely connected. And then we're going to leave that there for 2 or 3 days. Get you right under there. You get, there you go. All right, guys, that's how you dry seeds out. Now, if you want to dry them completely, there's a myriad of different ways of doing it. But, I mean, you can literally let that sit there for like 6 weeks. And they'll dry up, and then you can store them in a little paper type bag, and you can write pumpkins on them or whatever you want to do. My plan is I'm going to sprout those seeds. Not all those seeds are going to get completely dried out. When I do the sprout challenge, I'm actually going to do some of those pumpkin seeds too, just to see what happens. All right, well, I think that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me. The price of a Starbucks coffee. So until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.